Today we're diving into something super exciting. Google has opened early access to their SynthID Detector, a tool that helps you identify AI-generated images and content. Whether you're a creator, teacher, journalist, or just curious, this tool could be a game changer. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up and get early access. So what is SynthID? It's a tool developed by Google DeepMind that can detect invisible watermarks in AI-generated images. This helps people tell the difference between real and AI-generated content, and it's designed to work even if the image has been edited, cropped, or resized. By joining the Early Access program, you get to try it before it's widely released. You'll help shape how the tool evolves, and if you're in media education or content moderation, this could really help you stay ahead of the curve. So here's how to join. Go to the SynthID Early Access form. I've linked it in the description below. Fill in your name, whatever it asks in the form. Submit the form and wait for a confirmation email from the Google DeepMind team. Just a heads up on this, approval isn't instant, but if you're accepted, they'll give you login, access, and instructions. So that's it. If you're passionate about responsible AI or just want to stay in the know, this is a great opportunity to explore how tools like SynthID work. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. And if you're into content like this, tech updates, tutorials, and honest reviews, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.